Sa bawat laro, idolo, huwag kang matakot makipagsabayan. Huwag kang mahiya, ipakita ang kaya mong gawin. Dahil sa bawat laro, diyan ka mas mahuhubog. Natalo ka man, basta may natututunan. Tuloy lang ang ensayo at samahan ng disiplina. Huwag kang titigil hanggat di mo nagagawa. Tumigil ka lang kapag di mo na magawa. At lagi mong tatandaan, walang sino man ang makakapagsabi na kaya mo. Nasa sa'yo yan kung hanggang saan mo madadala ang sarili mo. Dahil sa US Playground, laro mo ang highlights ko. Okay, US Playground na mo ngayon. Ito opening day ng San Pablo City Youth Camp. Siyempre, shoutout sa ating official, yung SPCRA yan, sina Idol. Maraming salamat. Ito, yung ating opening game na maglalaro, ito yung mga idolo ng San Ignacio. At mga kalaban naman, yung mga idolo ng San Gregorio. Yan, maraming salamat po muli kay SK Ace President. Tatakan tayo. Yan, yung SK Ace Villanueva and City Councilor Ambo Amante. Yan, maraming salamat. So yung kauna-unahan laban, kaya hintayin lang natin. Maganda-gandang bakbakan naman to. Bakbakang San Pableños.
Jersey number 21, Arapiles, and jersey number 30, Sorreso.
Eto na, tinatawag na yung first fight ng magkabilang kupunan. Kasama to dun sa Rizal Conference Bracket B.
Jersey number 1,
Yan.
jersey number 15,
Parang mala NBA kasi itong Youth Camp ng San Pablo City. Rizal Conference and Bonifacio Conference na may tig-dalawang bracket. May magcha-champion sa bawat bracket at saka lang maglalaban-laban ang apat na champion para sa overall semifinals and finals ng liga. Ito na yung ating first game. San Ignacio versus
Sorreso, Vasco Marquez. Arapiles with the floor, is good for Arapiles. Igata. Vasilianis breaks back to Igata. There's a foul. Who's the foul of him? Igarta. 10 seconds. Remadula, side step, Rapas 2. Traveling violation. Soreso. Sorres setting the play, pass to Reyes. Back to Sorreso, launches a three. Yes, good for Sorreso.
Grabe, nakayari agad si Mikey Mouse. RJ Soreso.
Pass to Wong. Deflected, Steve Marquez, pass to Sorreso run. Steal by Igarta. Igarta 2-on-1 play, side step. It's good for Igarta. Molina. Steal by Maria. Pass to Igarta, speed. Igarta. Traveling violation. Timeout, San Gregorio. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 21 seconds. Score 5-4 in favor of San Gregorio. Soreso. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Reyes, powerful plays. Rapas to Arabiles. Arabiles pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by number 5. There's a foul. Reyes. No good. Rebound by Marquez. Good for 2 by Marquez. Igarta, steal by Marquez. Marquez. No good. Rebound by Molina. Molina pass to Arabiles. Arabiles with the floor. It's good. Timeout, San Ignacio. Liagas. Liagas, pass to Igarta. Igarta deflected by Arabiles. Arabiles pass to Soreso. Long range three. No good. Rebound by Revandulia. Pass to Igarta. Pass to Liagas base. Liagas pull jumper. No good. Rebound by Soreso. Soreso runs. Soreso with the lead. There we foul. Who's fouled him? Foul. Soreso first roll. Basket. No good. Jump ball. Shot clock. Molina pass to Soreso. Soreso step back three. No good. Revadulia pass to Mahia. Mahia steal by Arabiles. Pass to Molina. Molina run. Molina. No good. Jump ball. Pass to Revadulia. Wide open. It's good for Revadulia. Marquez. No good. Rebound by Gamboa. Gamboa pass to Igarta. Igarta pass to Remadula. Remadula with the lead. No good. Perfect foul. Who's foul? Red foul. Jersey number. Soreso. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Marquez. Back to Soreso. Soreso for 3. Foul. Basket. Basket. Maray Soreso. Score natin 12-6. 6 minutes remaining. Revadulia. Save. Revaluya. Pass to Igarta. Wide open three. Rebound by Revaluya. Steal by Marquez. Pass break to Arapiles. Wide open three. It's good for Arapiles.
Ang bilis nun.
Igarta. Pass to Gamboa. Pass to Revaluya. 15 seconds. Liatas. Back to Igarta. Pass to Revaluya. Drop pass. No good for him. Rebound by.
Score natin 14-6 lamang tong San Gregorio.
Pass to Sorreso. Pass to Reyes makes. Reyes side step with the leg. It's good for Reyes. Liatas. Liatas Balawe. Good for two for Liatas. Bosada. Pass to Sorreso. Sorreso. Ali play to Pires. Williana. Williana. No good for him. Rebound by Reyes. Arab Pires with the ball. Pass to Reyes. Reyes, power move. 10 seconds. Sorreso. What a fight to Arab Pires. Posada. Good for two. Viviana. 15 seconds. Still waiting for pass to Sorreso. Sorreso on the run with the leg. Good for two by Sorreso. Another turnover para strike.
Score natin 24-8. Stepper on the line.
Stepping on the line. Maghira. Maghira pass to Villana. Back to Maghira, 15 seconds to shoot. Maghira drop pass to Gamboa. Good for two by Gamboa. Arapiles pass to the Villa. Back to Arapiles, back to the Villa. Launches and three. No good. Rebound by Arapiles. Arapiles behind the back pass to number 4. Loader. No good. Rausmas. No good. Rebound by Villana. Very foul.
3 minutes and 3 seconds. Chris Porter.
Maghira pass to Villana. Pass to Igarta. Back to Villana. Launches a three. No good. Rebound by Kraus. It's on a sudden 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Arapiles pass to Lat. Lat drop pass. Sunny National. Igarta pass to Villana. Pass to Maghira. 15 seconds to shoot. Maghira pass to Villana. Villana spins. Drop pass. Steal by Arapiles. San Gregorio on the run. Arapiles. Pass to Posadas. Pass to Rosos. Pass to the Villa. Stepping at the line. Sunny.
Tawagan, step in.
Maghira. Pass to Igarta. Igarta. Pass to Superman. Very foul. No good. Top ball. Lat. Pass to Arapiles. Last 2 minutes. The Villa launches a three. No good. Rebound by Maghira. Pass to Igarta. Pass Astudillo on the pace, 15 seconds. Igarta drop pass for Sargo, steal by Krausos. Astudillo on the run. Arapiles will be back. 2 for 2 by Arapiles. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. Billy on the pass to Maghira. Maghira 15 seconds to shoot. Igarta. And steal para sa San Gregorio. Substitution. Maghira. 5 seconds. Steal by Arapiles. Pass to Deveria. Deveria blocked by Maghira. Rausos. Pass to Posada. 15 seconds to shoot. Posada. Pulling again. Pushing foul. Remaining time.
59 seconds warning for penalty San Gregorio.
Gamboa. Astudillo on a pull jumper. No good. Perfect foul. Foul.
26-10. 58 seconds.
No good. Rebound by Deveria. Pass to Posada. Perfect foul. It's ball left. Posada first throw. No good. Posada. No. No good. Basket foul. Para kay Posada. Foul. No good. Rebound by. Posada naman para sa San Gregorio. Lock. Swing it to Deveria. 5 seconds. Deveria for 3. No good. Rebound by Arapiles. Krausos. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Deveria. 10 seconds to shoot. Deveria again. Kapos. Ano si Posada? No good. Basket. 15 seconds. Viriota. 10 seconds.
Penalty. Score natin 30-10.
Basket.
7 seconds.
No good. Rebound by 4 seconds. Arapiles. Viriota. And that's it for first. Para the ball game.
Okay, second quarter 30-11.
Maghira. Rebound by number 2. Steal by Deveria. Arapiles with the ball. Arapiles drop pass to Krausos. Fade away shot. It's good for Krausos. Maghira. Steal by Deveria. Simon with the lead. No good. Deveria. Wala pa rin. First 8 wala. Gratuito. Basket. 1. Gratuito. 2 for 2. Simon. Simon, pass to Arapiles, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Arapiles, pull up J, it's good for Arapiles. Mike Rausos. Arapiles on the run. Arapiles with a wraparound way. No good. Donnie Montana. Pass to Amo. Block Mike Rausos. 15 seconds to shoot. Manghira for three. It's good for Manghira. Arapiles, 15 seconds to shoot. Arapiles with the ball, 10 seconds. Sonic Nasho. Sorreso, 10 seconds.
Sabi na rin, bayana daw madapa yung
Simon,
ayaw mag,
5 seconds. There's the ball. Simon using his size. There's the foul.
Si nanay. Wala kinakampihan, pero galing doon sa isang team kanina.
Mr. Simon, first throw. No. Simon last throw. Basket is good.
Kung hihingi siya ng sticker, wala akong sticker.
Steal by Simon. Simon. Good for two by Simon. Score namin 37-16. Rosales Bulls J. Nugget. Dribbled by Amo. Pass to Asha. Asha, 10 seconds to shoot. Alcaraz, block by Danila. Pass break to Sorreso with the lane. Basket count for IRJ Sorreso. No good. Rebound again by Sorreso. Good for two by Molina. Steal by Sorreso. Pass to the middle with the lane. It is good. Timeout. Barangay San Ignacio. We're back in the ball game. Another steal para sa Barangay San Gregorio.
Patay talaga yun, matable na yan.
Ito, medyo hirap na hirap dito yung San Ignacio dito sa full court press. Ito.
Babalik sa Barangay.
Sadig lang at may wet spot dito. Konting ingat tayo. Tao.
We're back in the ball game. Sorreso with the ball. Sorreso. Steal by Manghira. Manghira on the run. Manghira grab pass to Asha. Very foul. Who's ball rep?
43-16.
Basket.
Gano'n ka kakahuwi.
Two for Mr. Russian. Score natin 43-18 in favor of San Gregorio. Danila pass to Sorreso. Sorreso ng bad. No good. Rebound by Gambulo. Pass to Manghira. Manghira pass to Asha with the leg. Pero may foul. Who's ball right? Basket.
May tropo na dun sa...
Two for Asha. Baba sa dalawang pulutan doon. Kalabangan ng San Gregorio. Sorreso. 15 seconds. Sorreso drop pass to Arapiles. Good for two. By Arapiles. Igarta. There's a foul. Basket. Para kay Igarta. Sorreso. Steve by Maghira. Basket to Asher. Sable. Igarta. 15 seconds to shoot. Igarta launches a three. Nugget. Driven by Arapiles. Pass to Sorreso. Pass to Reyes. Reyes side step. Good for two by Reyes. Maghira pass to Igarta. Third foul. Loose ball. Igarta first throw. Nugget. Basket for Igarta. Sorreso. Sable. Six. Arapiles. Marquez with the lane. Nugget. Driven by Medulia. Pass to Maghira. Steal by Arapiles. Sorreso. Basket down. Perfect three-point lane for Mr. Sorreso. Maghira. Pass to Medulia. Good for two.
Yun yung unang beses na nakataka sila dun sa press ng San Gregorio na nakakonvert sila.
Steve Maliagas. San Gregorio ball. Substitution.
Yun yung mahirap.
Ito, pero kayo magalat, meron naman dito ano, CDRRM mo. Yan, check lang nila yan. Ito, yan. Nakatayo naman sa idol. Medyo ano yan, bugbog lang. Yan. Siya si Nico Molina?
Race, diretso. Yung sinisparin na good.
Sayang, ang ganda nun. Wow, ang lalim.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 6, pass to Liagas.
Ito, libre.
It's good.
Okay, diretso tayo. 50-26.
Pass to Sorreso. Sorreso launches a three. No good. Rebound by Arapiles.
Kinuha sa ibabaw.
Arapiles pass to Posada. 10 seconds. Sorreso left wide open. Perfect foul. Loose ball and ball and no. No good. Basket is good. 1 out of 3. Liagas. Wide open tray. Wide open tray. No good. But
Double foul.
double foul. Sorreso. Sorreso naman. Turnout. Basket. 2 for 2. Warren J. Sorreso. Rebadelia. Liagas. Liagas setting the play. Pass to Igarta. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Igarta pass to Maghira Bates. 10 seconds. Maghira with a floater. No good. Rebound Marquez. Pass to Sorreso. Sorreso pass break to Posada. Pass to Arapiles. No good. Rebound by Maghira. Pass to Igarta. Pass break to Liagas. Left wide open. penalty. Liagas Polish no good. Driven by Arapiles. Arapiles passes Sorreso na come to net. Sorreso. Pass to Arapiles. 15 seconds to shoot. Save on 11. Reyes. Steal by Igarta. Steal by Arapiles. Pass to Posada. Posada side step. No good. Driven by Amo. Steal again by Arapiles. Arapiles behind the back pass to Posada with the lane. No good. Posada with the putback. It's good. Igarta. Pass to number 15, Maria. Maghira, 15 seconds. Alo. Nabitaw ng bola. Maghira. Maghira for 3. It's good. Para Maghira. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Score na 55-31. Arapiles with the ball. 15 seconds. Offensive foul. Liagas waits. Liagas swinging through. Igarta. Pass to Maghira. Maghira drop pass to Mahia. Pass to Maghira. 10 seconds. Maghira against same spot. Different result. We won by Rebadulia. No good. We won by Arapiles. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Reyes with the ball. Pass to Arapiles. Debelia for 3. No good. We won by Liagas. Liagas pass to Igarta. Wide open. 2 points for Igarta. Reyes side step. No good. Driven by Mahia. Mahia pass to Rebadulia. Rebadulia. Steal by Simon. Simon side step. Oy! Good for 2 by Simon. Oras na 30 seconds. Another steal by Simon. Simon pass to Reyes. 2 points for Reyes. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Another steal para sa San Gregorio. Arapiles pass to Debelia. Wide open play. No good. Driven by Rebadulia. 5 seconds. Maghira pass to Igarta. For 3. And that's it for San Gregorio.
Yung playground halftime break na idolo. Sana nakasubscribe ka na sa ating channel dahil 85% ng nanonood ng mga video natin ay hindi pa nakasubscribe, and then papalo na lang ng ating Facebook page yung UNUS at ating official TikTok and Instagram account na US Playground. Pwede ka rin diyang mag-like, comment, and share at mga shoutout para ma-shoutout natin sa susunod nating video. Sino kaya magiging best player ng laro ito? Leave your comment below, idolo. Okay, tuloy na natin to. Okay, third quarter tayo, 59-33 in favor of itong depensa San Gregorio.
Maghira for 3. It's good for Maghira.
Maganda yung simula nun sa Ignacio.
Krauses. Pass to Simon. Simon with the lay. Good for 2 for Simon.
Grabe talaga si SK Simon.
Igarta. Pass to Maghira. Wide open. Good for 2 by Maghira.
So, kasi maghirang nakakaano dito, nadali sa San Ignacio.
Arapiles. Pass to Lar. Pass to Krauses. Krauses. No good. Driven by Maghira. Pass to Igarta. Pass to Maghira again. Basket count for Maghira. 3 consecutive basket. Para dito may Maghira. Driven by Lar. Simon. Dave Villa, 10 seconds to shoot. Arsenal. Arapias, 5 seconds. Long range three. No good. Rebound by Garda. Pass to number 10. Palsari.
Ayun, diretso tayo. Ang lamig dito sa loob ng Amante Gymnasium, ha?
Mahaya for 3. No good. Rebound by Krauses. Pass to Arapias. Simon with the ball.
Uy!
Simon. No good. Sunny Nash.
Yeah. Shout out, bossing.
Igarta.
Diretso tayo.
Pass to Gamboa. Steal by Simon. Lock. Pass to Arapiles. Arapiles setting the play. Pass to the 15 seconds to the shot clock. Devilia with the ball. Devilia 10 seconds. Kick out to Lock. Not fakes. Not trap. Pass to Krausos. Krausos with the floater. It's good for Krausos.
Ganda lumaro ng ng San Gregorio ngayon, ha? Ibang-iba pa.
Igarta.
Lalo sila mas nag-improve.
Gamboa, Balsario, pass to Mahaya, steal by Krausos. Krausos pass break to Simon.
Bawal yung close
Sunny
fish.
Nash the ball. Maghira. Maghira pass to Igarta. Igarta 10 seconds to shoot. Balsario pass to Maghira, launches a 3. No good. Arapiles with the ball. Arapiles at the run. Krausos for 3. No good. Rebound by Bahia. Pass to Igarta. Gamboa space. Gamboa. Good for 2. Sorreso, 15 seconds, long range three. It's good for Sorreso. Igar. Another steal para sa San Gregorio. Arapiles lumipad. Kapos. Rebound by Igarta. Pass to Maghira. Left wide open. Good for 2. By Maghira.
Napagod yung San Gregorio. Walang bumaba. Ito, tinatawag si Rezo.
Arapiles. Pass to Sorreso. Sorreso. Spins. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound by Gamboa. Gamboa. Pass to Balsario. Back to Gamboa. Gamboa. Migot. Gamboa. Walang rin. Rebound by Balsario. Good for 2 by Balsario. Oras natin 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 66-46 in favor of Barangay San Gregorio. Lan. Pass to Arapiles. What a fight para Ilan. Survey foul. 2 shots para Ilan. First throw. Basket. No good. Rebound again by Lan. Steal by Maghira. 5 minutes remaining para sa third quarter. Igarta launch the 3. No good. Rebound by Arapiles. Steal by Gamboa. Gamboa lumipad. 2 points para Gamboa. Arapiles pass to Arapiles. Pass to Sorreso. Sorreso nakawala. 2 points para Sorreso. Another steal para San Gregorio. Lahat naman. Perfect foul.
Time out San Ignacio.
21 seconds to the 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 21 se to shoot. Sorreso. Pass to Ramirez. Ramirez, one shot. No good. San Ignacio ball.
69-48, San Gregorio.
Another steal para sa San Gregorio. Ramirez pass to Marquez, wide open. 2 for 2. Para kay Marquez. Bahia, pass to Villota. Villota, back to Bahia. 3 points para kay Bahia. Reyes, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Reyes, pass to Sorreso. Sorreso with the ball. Sorreso, 10 seconds. Pass to Reyes. Reyes, no good. Rebound by Bahia. Pass to Igarta. Pass break to Amo. Amo inabot ni Sorreso. 2 points for Amo. Ramirez. Pass to Sorreso. 15 seconds to shoot. Sorreso, 10 seconds. Sorreso steal by Igarta. Pass to Amo. Amo wide open. Good for 2 by Amo. Score na 71-55.
71-55.
Ramirez pass to Ramirez. Pass to Sorreso. Save ball. Ramirez. Pass to Molina, 10 seconds. Molina, 5 seconds. Molina floater, no good. Rebound by Mr. Ramirez. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Igarta. Pass break to Liagas. Liagas, lumangan 2 points para Liagas.
Kakailang pass break na to. San Ignacio. Time out.
Time out, Barangay San Gregorio. The ball game. Reyes. Reyes, 15 seconds to shoot. Reyes, pass to Sorreso. Sorreso side step, block. Rebound by Igarta. San Ignacio run. Igarta, pass to Villota. Pull up J. Good for 2 for Mr. Villota. Score na 71-59.
71-59. Dodosi na to.
Reyes, ingat pass to Molina. Molina space, Molina. Pero may foul. Who's fouled it? Marquez. Marquez. Jump ball. Save ball. Sorreso. Step back three. Rebound by Igarta. Igarta. Steal. Pero naman ni Liagas. Babasa sa buong malamang.
Sa 10 na.
San Gregorio. Para sa atin, 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Nautay nila.
Reyes. Reyes using his size. Wala. Rebound by Villota. Pass to Bahia. Pass to Igarta. 1 minute remaining. Igarta launches a 3. Nugget. Rebound by Simon. Sorreso. 2 points. By Molina. 45 seconds.
Baka naka-complain sila doon.
Villota for 3. No good. Rebound by Reyes. San Ignacio. Igarta. Pass to Villota. Back to Igarta. Steal by Simon. Simon side step. Drop pass to Ramirez. No good.
Sayang, ang ganda nung galaw ni Simon.
15 seconds. Ramirez. Pass to the Villa. Pass to Sorreso. 10 seconds remaining. Sorreso with the ball. 5 seconds. Long range three. No good. Driven by Garda for three. And that's it for turn by Barangay San
Okay, last quarter. 12 lamang nitong San Gregorio.
Maghira.
Sa ating first game opening day
Commented by Arpiles.
dito sa Pablo City, Utah. Wow!
Wala pa rin. Driven by Amo. Liagas launches a three. No good. Driven by Maghirang. Maghirang fakes. Maghirang pinali pa. Wala. Driven by Villana. Safe ball. Villana. Driven by Simon. Pastor Apiles. Simon. Simon. No good. Driven by Posada. 2 points for Posada. Liagas. Pass to Maghira. Pass to Villota. Villota with the ball. Maghira 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Sorreso. Arapines. 2 points for Arapines. Maghira. Pass to Villota. 2 points for Villota. Simon. Simon! Wow! Basket. No good. Driven by Remadulio. Pass to Bahia. Bahia. Pass to Maghira. Maghira 15 seconds in the shot clock. Maghira. Fakes pass to Bahia. Bahia step back. Remadulio. Uy! 2 points by Remadulio. What a shot.
Buenas.
Sorreso. Posada. Basket count for Mr. Posada. There's a ball. Ball in jersey. Maghira pass to Remadulio. Steal by Sorreso. Sorreso. Pass to Arapines. 15 seconds to shoot. Arapines pass to Posada. Posada. No good. Driven by Maghira. Maghira with the ball. Uy. Maghira. Nabay siya. Wala. Driven by Arapines. Pass break to Sorreso. Sorreso lumipad. Sorreso lumipad. Huli! 18 seconds to shoot. Sorreso swinging to the middle. Wide open lead. Long two. By the middle.
Ganda ng inbound play na yun.
Remadulio. Pass to Bahia. Corner three. Camos. Driven by Simon. Pass to Sorreso. Sorreso pass to Duvelia. 15 seconds. Sorreso with the ball. 10 seconds. Posada. Arapines. Steal by Amo. Pass to Remadulio. 2-on-1 play. Remadulio drop pass to Maghira. Good for 2 by Maghira. Oras natin 6 minutes remaining. Sorresa with a floater. No good. Delivered by Mankira. Pass to Liagas. Pass to Rebadulia. Fakes Rebadulia. No good. Rebadulia again. 2 points by Rebadulia. Pumasa labing tatlong hinahabol ng San Ignacio. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Arapiles steal by Liagas. Liagas. Save. Rebadulia. Pass to Igarta. Igarta 15 seconds to shoot. Igarta. Pass to Rebadulia. Good for 2. Grausos. Pass to Reyes. Pass to corner 3.
Technical, pinalakpakan niya.
Sevilla, technical shot. Soreso, pass to Grausos, fade away shot. No good. Reyes for 3. It's good! 3! Igarta, pass to Amo, pass to Liagas, pass to Maghirang, Maghirang, papawi sa 3.
Bumawi.
Danila,
8 seconds backward.
violation.
It's 85-74. O 11 yun lamang. With 4 minutes and 25. Lamang pa rin San Gregorio pero manageable pa to.
Liagas, swing it to Amo. 5 seconds. Maghirang block. Maghirang fakes.
Sayang yun.
Shot clock violation.
Naputukan sila doon.
Danila. Pass to Arapiles. Grausos back to Danila. Danila pumukul sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Grausos. Pass to Arapiles. Wala pa rin. Grausos one-hand shot. Wala pa rin.
Grabe yung bakbakan sa ilalim. Patay ka. Gumanyan ka dyan.
Steal by Danila. Pero may foul. Who's foul in jersey? Grausos. Reyes. Fakes. Reyes. Reyes fights. Reyes fights. Step all the way to Mike. Fakes. Reyes fights. Step all the way to Mike. One Reyes. Maghirang pumukul sa 3. No good. Liwan by Amo. Amo spins, but there's a foul. Basket. No good. Liwan by Grausos. Pass to Sorresa. Sorresa pass to Arapiles. 15 seconds to shoot. Sorresa pass to Reyes. Steal by Amo. Amo umangat. Pero may foul.
Sumabit.
Who's foul red? First shot. Basket. Substitution.
3 minutes and 4 seconds. 10 lamang ng San Gregorio. Diretso tayo.
Simon.
Ngayon nasa 24 ton lamang na to eh. Tama ba? 24 pinakamalaki.
15 seconds shoot. Aliu Cosadas. What a play. Para sa mga guys.
Ganda-ganda no chemistry nung team ng San Gregorio. Naunahan nila eh. Naunahan nila itong San Ignacio eh.
Basta Liagas. Pumukul sa 3. No good. Save ball. Igarta. Seiko. Igarta swing it to Leagas. Back to Igarta. Igarta for 3. 3 points. Sorreso, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Sorreso pass to water play na naman. They will buy Igarta.
80-89.
Igarta. Kung isa pa, wala. They will buy Rapiles. Pass to Sorreso. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Sorreso in the corner. Nugget. They will buy Simon. Bula. By Gambawa. Gambawa spins. Gambawa with the ball. Gambawa with the ball. Offensive foul for Gambawa. Timeout, Barangay San Gregorio. Gambawa, 5 fouls. Oras natin 1 minute and 43 seconds. Score 89-80 in favor of Barangay San Gregorio.
Okay, diretso tayo. 1 and 43, 89, 80.
Out of his 10 seconds, Simon pulls up move. Simon, good one.
Grabe. Binuhat ni Simon.
30 seconds.
Binuhat yun.
Igarta pass to Villota.
Babawi.
Villota. Swing it to Leagas. Step back to Villota. Launches a 3. Nugget. Driven by Posada. Pass to Rapiles. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Sorreso in the lane. Timeout, Barangay San Ignacio. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds. Score. Igarta, long range 3. Wala pa rin. Driven by Posada. Last 1 minute. Sorreso. Sorreso in the left hand. It's good for Sorreso. Igarta, 50 seconds. Rebadolia sidestep with lane. Good for 2 for Rebadolia. 46 seconds. Arapiles. Pass to Posada. And there's a foul. Basket. Basket again. Igarta, pass to Leagas. Leagas naman subok sa 3. Wala pa rin. River Boy Posada. Pass to Sorreso. 30 seconds. There's a foul. Foul jersey. Basket. Lasha. Perfect for 2. Mr. Sorreso. 27 seconds remaining.
27 seconds.
Igarta pass to Rebadolia. Rebadolia. Driven by Posada. Pass to Arapiles. And they're gonna waste the time.